Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a how to install the Anespa DX shower head by Magic. It's really simple, guys. Really, they give you 3 tubes. Unless you have a bathtub, you're going to use the 3rd tube, but this is a standing shower right here, our standing shower. This one, I already pre-installed the 1 tube up here next to the blue, and then the other one on the bottom right here. So I'm going to show you guys wherever you want to place your base. You can place it wherever. The first one is to the shower head, so you're going to screw it up here. Then you got the shower head here. You're going to screw it to the shower head. The other one is the one on the bottom, right here on the bottom. So that one you're going to screw on the bottom, then it's going to come out like this. What's really important is that you grab this black thing on all of them and put it here. Okay, so the other thing too is they give you this adapter up here. I put it in. It's just a basic screw in. That's it. 1 screw in here. And then this swivel is just going to swivel. You're going to put this screw here and screw it up on here. Very easy. Screw it on here. Hand tight, it's fine. They do give you a little black tool in the box. You can use that to screw it in. But you don't want to do it too tight. So it's in here. And then the other type is this one, the longer one like this. That's if you have a bathtub and you want to use the water, mineral water in your bathtub. If you're gonna use that, go ahead and put this and screw it to the other side right here. Right here. And what's good too is that, don't worry, if you don't screw this in here, no water is going to come out. No water will come out, so don't worry. That's why this switch thing is here, so there's no water coming out of here. Okay? Awesome. So what you want to make sure you do, guys, is before you turn the water on, make sure this blue thing is all the way to the left, so there's no water coming out of here. But if you're going to use this for your bathtub, you're going to move this to the right. Simple, easy. So we're going to have this here. The shower head is really cool. It actually has 4 different modes. Massage is one, I believe. And it's a jet kind of shower head, so it's really nice. So I'm going to just show you, once you screw it into the shower head, that's pretty much it. Show you, just turn on the water. And there it is. See, this is the massage. So it's really nice. The water comes out really nice. I'll show you the different modes. That's one of the modes. This one's another one. This one's another one. So 1, 2, 3. It's more of a rainy one, raining. And then the last one is, it's like a massage one. So mineral spa water right in your shower. No chlorine at all, which is really nice. So that's pretty much it as how to install the Anespa DX. Really easy. Anyone can do it. If you guys want more information on this machine, I'm going to do the link on the bottom here in the subscription, and you guys can check out more information. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It really helps me out. Subscribe to the channel, press the like button, and just pound the like button. That'll really help me out, and I'll do more videos in the future. Alright guys, you guys have a blessed day. Take care. See you on the next video.